Hi, you might have noticed that when you started KPhotoAlbum, a small green LED was blinking in the corner of your taskbar. Try clicking on it to see what's actually happening. You can see that it's extracting thumbnails. Actually, it's extracting 10 thumbnails for each and every single movie. And the reason for that is that we now display or offers the possibility to display thumbnails, 10 thumbnails for the movies in KPhotoAlbum. Some of them takes or is extracted rather fast, less than a second, but as you can see in here, there's one here that takes 3 seconds to extract. If I scroll down to the bottom here, you'll notice that I have several thousands here. I've got 4,600 thumbnails job to execute, and it has already executed some time, so for my collection here it's more than 10,000 jobs, so your computer will be rather busy. I can pause it now just to be able to record the rest of this video, because it actually do take some resources in KPhotoAlbum. You'll notice the LED now is yellow down here, indicating that it's paused. Some jobs actually uses this background manager, even though it's a background manager, it uses for foreground jobs. Extracting the video thumbnails is an example of this. So if I scroll to a place where I didn't have a video thumbnail, it would start extracting the video thumbnail, and it would be blinking bright yellow down there to indicate that it was paused for the background part, but still running for the foreground part. Anyway, let's see what we can do now. If I scroll up here, or move up here with the cursor onto a thumbnail and I press the Alt button, you can see that it's now going through 10 of these thumbnails. Had you just started up your KPhotoAlbum and didn't give it a chance to extract these, it would be rather chunky until that it actually extracted these, and for those videos that takes perhaps up to 10 seconds. Each next frame would take another 10 seconds before it showed up, but it caches this information, and as soon as it's done extracting all this information, you can see that every half second a new image is shown, giving me a good idea of what is this video all about. I can move to another one and press Alt again here if I want to, and I can even keep the Alt button down while moving around just to get an idea of each of the different thumbnails. I can also change the thumbnail that I'm using for the thumbnail here from these 10. Pressing Control and plus button will need to select the thumbnail first. Pressing Control and plus will get me to another one, and I can continue doing like that. Control minus to go the other direction. I can even select the number, so if I had some video downloaded from somewhere where the first frame was just black and I wanted to make them all use the second frame, then select them all and Control plus, and you can notice here how each of the thumbnails is actually changing. Why it's not doing that here on my disk now? Gee, I don't know. Anyway, they should. It must be a bug in my development version here. Finally, I can also start a video. So if I start this video down here now,
graduated doing,
and press Control S, okay, then you can see that it paused for just a second, and then that particular frame was now used for my background. So now you can see this person here rather than the other person. So in summary, it will start up, it'll blink down there, it will for perhaps an hour or so be extracting thumbnails with MPlayer. And when that's done, you can move on top of a video and just press the Alt button to rotate through the videos. You can select a video and just press the Control plus button to go. Obviously don't want to do that for this one up here, but down here it worked fine. Press the Control plus button to go forth and back for the video. And finally, you can play the video and then press Control S on a frame to use that as the thumbnail. Thanks for listening.